Hi Kalpana, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also and yeah, so it's our first conversation. So I want to know about you.
Okay. I'm Kalpana. I'm from UP, and I have done my Master of Art in English and B.Ed. And I am a homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so now I'm going to give my intro. So my name is
Yeah.
Pooja and I have done my post graduation with political science from IGNOU. And I have been working since 5 years in e-commerce sector, like as a computer operator. And now I am working on this language because I have faced so many difficulties just because of this language at my workplace. So that's why nowadays I'm working on my communication skills and in this language.
Okay. Nice. That's great. Yeah. So can we discuss about importance of the money?
Yeah, definitely, definitely. This is a very important topic today. Like everyone know that how much important is money. So if I
Yes.
talk about my opinion, like about this topic, so according to me, money is too much important. So without money, we can't do anything. Without money, we can't get a education. We can't like without money, we can't survive because whatever we are eating, we gain from money. Whether
Yes.
it's like grocery things, whether it's educational thing. So money is too much important for educational and for surviving also. Without money, I don't think so we can't survive without money. Nowadays money is everything.
Yes, money is the most important for us. You are right. If we have not money, then we can't do anything because
Yes,
everything depend on money.
yes.
Yeah, if we get a good education, if we get any faculties, then we need money, and we need money to daily needs.
Yeah, I totally agree. I totally agree with whatever you said. And nowadays, not even grocery things, even just because of money, our relationship also like become build. If you
Yes,
go,
yes.
uh, yeah, if I talk about any parents, so they whenever they go to search any boy for their daughter, first they ask their salary, how much the boy is earned. So nowadays
Yes,
everything is money. So yeah, that's why making money is too much important.
yes. And if we have lots of money, then everyone with us. If we have not money, if we are poor, then that time our relatives are not with us.
Yes, 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 definitely. I totally
Yeah.
agree with your point. It's true. So yeah, in my if I talk about my personal experience, so I have faced so many difficulties just because of money. So that's why we are learning this language because everybody wants to do something in their life. If I am learning
Yes.
English, definitely I want to make money because without English you can't get a good job, and without good job how can you earn good money? So if I am learning this language just because of money, I know that if I learn this language and after that I can get a good amount of money after learning this language. So that's why. And you are also learning this language for getting a job. You want to be a teacher. So if you will become a teacher, so definitely you will earn good money. So
Yes.
uh, everything is after money. Everybody is after money nowadays.
Yes, yeah, everyone do if we do any work, then we want to money and we get knowledge. Both things is important.
Yeah, so if I talk about yeah, I want to ask you one question. Love is important or money important? According to you, tell me.
Okay, yeah, both are important.
Both are important.
Without money, we can't do anything, and without love, we do not get love, then we feel alone. We feel we can't do what use of money if we uh, do not love.
Have love. Okay, okay. So, but
Yeah, having love.
I have seen lots of cases like in their initial days, girl elope with boy, but after a few years, they just divorce just because of money. They are not surviving as a good way. So, girls or boy, they both decide to divorce just because of money. So, like in my opinion, without love, we can survive. If the boy have lots of money and the girls have lots of money, so they can survive, but without money we can't survive, just because of like with
Yes, be
we can't survive because we need surviving things, and how can we get from money? So that's why in my opinion, money is bad, money is higher than love. Yeah, money is higher than love, so money is important than love, in my opinion.
yeah, yeah, I'm agree with you, but I'm not agree with you totally because love is also most important.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if we yeah, some in there are some regions, some cases, relationship is broken, but this is a क्या बोलना चाहिए, this is मीन्स अपना अपना ओपिनियन है उसमें.
Yeah, you can say that everyone have their own thought, everyone there have their own
Yes,
perception.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see many people who are not who have not enough money, but they live together happily,
Yeah.
whatever they have,
Mhm.
and with love, with peace.
Yeah, yeah, you can say that everybody is not same. Our five finger are not same. So that's why we
Yes,
judge everyone as the same category. Everyone has their own perspective. Some some people they can survive, but some people they can't. So we can't say
yes, yes,
yeah, we can't say that everybody is same. No, some
yeah,
people.
and this is depend on understanding
Yes, yes.
to each other. That yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I was saying this
So
because I have seen lots of cases. First, they run away from their home, and after that, when they face problem due to money, so they come back their home. So that's why I'm saying that nowadays, in young age, they took decision, but after that, they feel regret why they took this decision. So yeah, that's why I'm saying that money is important.
yeah. Yeah, some cases it happens,
Mhm.
but not if, for everyone.
I agree these things also.
Yeah. And so, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. I'm also a
Okay.
YouTuber, and
Yeah.
nowadays I am not getting time to make video every day. But yeah, whenever I get, I definitely try to make video.
Okay. So, how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language more than 1 year. More than 1 year, I'm learning this language, but still I'm facing problem. Lots of the time, I'm not able to put across my thought. So yeah, I don't know what's my level. I'm intermediate level or beginner level. I don't know. But yeah, I'm satisfied with myself because before 1 year when I had started my English speaking journey, that time I was not able to speak a little word. So now I am able to speak. So I'm fully satisfied with myself. But yeah, I want to become a fluent in this language, and I will. One day I will, and I'm doing
Yeah,
hard.
you will do it. Yeah, definitely you will do.
Mm-hmm. So how much do you
And
give? Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Go ahead. No, no. First you tell.
okay. So when is did you start create your channel?
I started my YouTube channel 6 months before.
6 months before. Okay.
Yeah, 6 months ago, I started my YouTube channel. I wanted to track my journey because I'm in this journey more than 1 year. So I didn't know that what's my level. So, like someone suggested me that if you want to track your journey, so you should record your video. So that's why I start my YouTube channel and I
Uh,
start record my video. Yeah.
okay. This is the best way to
Yeah.
learn this language. In this way, we
Yeah.
can do practice.
Yeah, and we are maintaining our journey also because uh, before 6 months before, when I was in this journey, I was not maintaining my consistency. But just because of my YouTube channel, because we know that one video we should upload every day. So just because of my YouTube channel, also I am maintaining my consistency. So consistency is too much important to learn anything. That's
Yeah.
why just because of YouTube channel, I'm getting some people with whom I can do conversation. So yeah, YouTube is a very good platform if you want to learn anything. I'm not saying
Yeah.
that only this language. If you want to learn anything, so YouTube is the
Yes,
best.
yes. Whatever we want to learn, we can learn with the help of social media.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I don't know you remember or not, but I have done 3 time English speaking course by going a coaching center. But after did 3 time English speaking course, I was not speak a little bit. Then I started to learn from YouTube, and now you can see the result. So yeah, that's why I'm saying that YouTube is the best way to learn anything. Don't need to go anywhere. Nowadays
Okay.
everything is available.
Yes, and I have not taken any classes for speaking. When I started my spoken English journey on YouTube, then means then I'm learning this language.
Okay, okay, very nice, very nice. So which channel you followed for your learning?
In the starting, I followed Sumita Roy Impact Foundation.
Oh, yeah, Sumita Roy nowadays,
Yeah.
but I don't think so. She's making videos, Sumita Roy. But
No, no. At this time, not. Lekin I saw I saw before video.
yeah, two
I
and 3 years before, yeah, I'm also watching. And Sumita Roy, ma'am, English is too simple. A small
Yes,
child
yes.
also can
Everyone
understand.
can understand easily.
Yeah, and she always suggests everybody that do no need to speak a modern way. Like you can impress with your English as simple as you can. Like speak English as simple as you can. Her English is too much simple. So yeah, in my
Yeah.
initial time, I used to watch her video. Me too, even. I too
Okay.
used to watch her video every single day. But nowadays she is not making video. But if you want to watch her video, so Impact channel, like channel name is Impact. So you can go down
Yes,
in
Impact
this channel.
Foundation
Yes,
channel.
it's not a personal channel. Sumita Roy, ma'am, it's not a personal channel. It's a
Yes,
made
yes,
by
I know this.
yeah, it's a made by one group, not group.
Yeah.
It is a college. I think it's a college. So the this ID made by that college, Impact Foundation. And nowadays she is not making video, but she getting very old. I think like learners who start their journey as a beginner, they should watch a very simple channel. No need to watch some hard channel like some foreign people channel. So just try simple channel with simple channel in initial.
Yes, you are
That,
right.
mm, after that you should choose some channel according to your capacity when you are able to speak.
Yeah, and we can watch movies and any uh, series in English
Yeah,
and
see,
animation जो शॉर्ट स्टोरीज उनको भी देख सकते हैं.
yeah, it will help a lot because listening is a very powerful impact. So if you will
Yes,
start your journey with listening, so you will definitely learn very quickly. I also started
Yes,
my
yes.
with the listening, because in my initial time I was not able to speak, so I start my journey with listening.
Yes, I also I do same thing.
Yeah, because
Then I started my journey then.
everybody start their journey from listening, because in their initial days everybody not able to speak, so that's why they start their journey from listening. Yeah,
Okay.
and just because of listening, if you are listen a lot, and if you are living for those people with those people who are speaking English full day, so whether you are uneducated, whether you never ever go to any school, but you will be able to speak if you will listen to English. So you can learn
Yes,
any language. I'm not saying that only English. If you listen any language every day, morning to evening, so definitely you will be speak, whether you go to school or not, whether you learn this language or not. I have seen lots of people
yes,
that if you know, once time I watched one video on YouTube. She was a you can say she was selling some anklet uh, and a necklace on the roadside, but she was selling the anklet in foreign country. So she is able to speak now without going any school, just because of listening power.